It's easy to stay connected to your loved one using video calling. You can share precious moments and keep in touch, no matter the distance. To place a video call, open the JubileeTV app and tap Video Call. The call will ring through to your loved one's television. If their TV is on, they'll see a prompt inviting them to join your call by pressing the green plus button on their JubileeTV remote. Next, they'll see a second prompt about their camera. Pressing the green plus button turns their camera on, while opting for the red minus button keeps it off. If their TV is off, it will automatically turn on and a chime will let them know they have a video call. The true magic happens during the call. Your loved one will see you and your family on their big screen in full, vibrant color. It's a whole new way of experiencing video calls. During the video call, you have a few ways to ensure the experience is seamless and enjoyable for everyone. Use the controls on the Control TV section to adjust the TV volume for your loved one or turn their camera off if they prefer a little more privacy. It's like you're right there, in the room with them. Look at the bottom of your screen during a call for options to manage your side of the conversation. You can mute yourself, flip your camera, or turn off your camera while maintaining audio communication if you need a moment out of the spotlight. When it's time to say goodbye, ending the call is just a tap away. We love connecting seniors with their families and friends, and video calling is a great way to start. Give it a try today.